Hello, how are you? Welcome to this video where I will reveal the secret to financial success and true wealth. Money and wealth. Do you think money is the key to achieving it? If so, you will be surprised to know that money is not the most important thing, but financial intelligence. Do you know what financial intelligence is and how it influences your life? Do you want to know how you can improve it and solve your financial problems with intelligence, not with money? If the answer is yes, keep watching this video until the end, because I will share valuable information that will change your life. Financial intelligence is the ability to understand and manage money efficiently and effectively. It is the skill of making smart financial decisions that allow you to generate, preserve, and multiply your money. Why is financial intelligence important? Because it determines your level of success and well-being financial. A person with high financial intelligence knows how to manage their money, how to save and invest, how to take advantage of opportunities, and how to avoid or solve financial problems. A person with low financial intelligence, on the other hand, usually has difficulties to make a budget, control their expenses, save and invest, and usually falls into debt, scams, or financial crises. How can you improve your financial intelligence? There are several ways to do it, but in this video I will give you some of the most important ones. The first one is to learn from the experts. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, is one of the most recognized references in the world of personal finance. He teaches us that the key to financial success is not money, but intelligence. He tells us that money is just a tool, and that what really matters is how we use it. He shows us how to solve financial problems with intelligence, not with money, following the example of his rich father, who was a successful entrepreneur, and not his poor father, who was an employee with a fixed salary. He explains that the difference between the rich and the poor is not the amount of money they have, but the way they think and act about money. The second way to improve your financial intelligence is to overcome the external obstacles that can affect your financial situation. These obstacles can be inflation, recession, competition, corruption, lack of opportunities, among others. These factors can limit your ability to generate, preserve, and multiply your money, but they are not decisive. What really matters is how you react to them, and how you take advantage of them or avoid them. To do this, you must focus on what you can control, your mindset and your behavior regarding money. The third way to improve your financial intelligence is to learn from the cases of financial success and failure of other people. Studying the stories of people who have achieved financial success or failure can help you identify the strategies, mistakes, lessons, and principles that they applied in their financial management. Thus, you can replicate what worked and avoid what did not work, and adapt it to your own reality. You can find these cases in books, magazines, podcasts, blogs, videos, among other media. The fourth way to improve your financial intelligence is to make a budget that helps you to have an adequate financial control. Making a budget allows you to know how much money you earn, how much you spend, how much you save, and how much you invest. It also allows you to identify your sources of income, your fixed and variable expenses, your debts, your assets, and your liabilities. Thus, you can make better financial decisions that allow you to optimize your money and achieve your goals. Making a budget does not have to be difficult or boring. You can use tools like Excel or apps that make the process easier for you. I will also share with you some saving techniques, such as the 50-30-20 technique or the 52 weeks technique, which are essential to later invest in assets that generate future income. The 50-30-20 rule is a way of dividing your income into 3 parts: 50% for basic expenses, 30% for personal expenses, and 20% for savings, investments, and debt repayment. The rule is a guide, not a law. You can adapt these percentages to your reality, to your values, and to your financial goals. For example, if you want to donate part of your money to a social cause, you can allocate a percentage to it. Or if you want to save or invest more, you can reduce your basic or personal expenses. The important thing is that you have a balance between your income and your expenses, and that you get closer and closer to your financial objectives. Also, I'm going to give you some tips to understand how the banking system works and take advantage of its benefits, including debt management, proper use of credit cards, understanding interest rates, insurance, fees, among other financial aspects. Banks offer you different financial products and services, such as accounts, loans, credit cards, insurance, among others. But to use them intelligently and responsibly, you must understand some basic concepts, such as debt management. It is about paying what you owe on time and without problems, so that the bank trusts you and lends you more easily and cheaply in the future. Do not get into more debt than you can pay, because that can bring you economic and health problems. The proper use of credit cards. It is about using this financial instrument with responsibility and efficiency so that you can buy things without cash and pay them later. But remember, you must know the details of your card, such as the credit limit, the cutoff date, the payment date, the interest rate, and the fees. I also recommend you to pay the highest possible percentage of the balance each month, to avoid paying interest and getting into debt. The proper use of credit cards allows you to take advantage of its benefits, such as ease of payment, security, accumulation of points, among others. Finally, and not to make this video too long, to make good decisions, to have healthy finances, you must educate yourself, which in these times costs very little, but helps you a lot throughout your life. I assure you that success will look for you, not the other way around. Remember that money is not the key to financial success and true wealth, but financial intelligence. And you, what are you waiting for to develop it? If you like this video, first I say thank you, then I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and leave me a comment with your opinion. See you next time.